Hey everybody, Chris here from O'Reilly Auto Parts to show you how to replace the thermostat on a 2009 to 2014 Ford F-150. Before I get into that, take a second to subscribe to our channel if you haven't already so you don't miss out on any of our new content. Today I'll be replacing the thermostat on this 2012 F-150, and procedures will be similar on a lot of 5-liter F-150s from 2009 to 2014. But be sure to know the specifics for your truck before getting started. If you're not completely comfortable doing this yourself, we'd be happy to recommend a professional technician in your area. Once you've got your supplies together, here's what you'll do. Park on a flat surface and wait for the engine to cool down. Then place a fluid catch pan under the radiator petcock. Open the petcock and allow the coolant to drain into the drain pan. And close it once the system has been drained. Open the hood and disconnect the hoses and electrical connector, then remove the air intake tube. You may also need to remove the accessory drive belt by loosening the tensioner with a 15mm socket and a breaker bar, then sliding the belt off the pulleys. This prevents the belt from being contaminated by the coolant from the thermostat, which can cause the belt to slip. If your F-150 has a separate AC compressor belt, it can be covered with a waterproof plastic. To remove the thermostat housing, release the spring clamp on the coolant inlet and disconnect the lower radiator hose. Then you can remove the bolts at the coolant inlet connection. This will allow the thermostat housing inlet to be removed from the housing. Remove the old thermostat and the O-ring. Lubricate the new O-ring with engine coolant. Then install the new thermostat and O-ring. Then reinstall the coolant inlet and bolts. Torque them to 89 inch-pounds. Now you can reconnect the lower radiator hose. Reinstall the hose clamp. If there is any coolant on the drive belt pulleys, rinse them with clean water before reinstalling the belt. You can also remove the plastic covering from the AC compressor belt at this point. Loop the belt over all the pulleys except one. Then release tension on the tensioner and slide the belt into place. Slowly release the tensioner to return tension to the belt. Reinstall the air cleaner outlet tube, then fill the cooling system. Remove your drain pan, start your vehicle, and let it warm up to operating temperature with the heater on. If the heater is blowing warm air, turn the truck off and check the coolant level. Add coolant as needed, then close the hood. And that's it. You'll find everything that you need for this and other jobs at your local O'Reilly Auto Parts store or O'ReillyAuto.com. Our DIY videos are designed to help answer questions we get in our stores every day. If you found this one helpful, subscribe to our channel to get all the latest. We'll see you again soon.